You can use organisational levels on your contacts to specify which position they have in the company, for example, top management. You can use this information when entering information about your contacts. Using organisational levels on contacts is a two-step process. First, you define the organisational level code. You only have to perform this step once for each organisational level. Once you have an organisational level code, you can start to assign the code to contact persons. The organisational level code defines the type of organisational level, such as CEO. You can have several organisational level codes. To define the level, you use the Organisational Levels window. To find this, enter Organisational Levels into the search bar and then choose the related link. Choose the new action and fill in a code and a description. The code can be a maximum of 11 characters and can be any combination of numbers and letters. You can assign organisational levels to contact persons only, not to contact companies. You can only assign one organisational level to each contact. To do this, open the contact and in the Organisational Levels field, select the code that you want to assign. You can use this information to create segments, as we discuss further in another of our videos.